In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to archive Instagram encrypted messages before it's too late. The safest method is to use the built-in data export tool in Instagram along with a quick manual backup for anything important. Open the app, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars. Once you are in settings and activity page, head over to the section account center. Now click on the option your information and permission. Click on the option export your information. Now click on the option create export. You'll need to select where do you want to save all of your messages. After you select it, you'll be directed to this page. First check your email address, then click on customize information. From this page, you are able to select the messages that you want to download. Just make sure you have checked in for the option of media and messages. Once you select it, click on save. Now go ahead and select the date range, likewise format, and lastly media quality. After you select all of these, click on the option start export. Now Instagram will prepare your archive and send a download link to your email, which you can save to your phone, computer or cloud storage. This file will include messages, media and account data depending on what is available for export and what you have selected. So that's it. This way you are able to archive Instagram encrypted messages before it's too late. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.